Hey there! In today's video, we're going to talk about the history of the .NET framework and C#, where it all began, how it works, and why it's still super relevant today. What is the .NET framework? Alright. So .NET framework is basically a software platform built by Microsoft. Think of it as a full toolbox that developers use to build apps, whether it's Windows applications, websites, or other types of software. And the cool part? It already comes with a bunch of tools and libraries, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. .NET Framework has two major parts. First, CLR, Common Language Runtime. This is like the engine behind the scenes that runs your .NET apps. It takes care of memory management, handles errors, cleans up unused resources, and just makes sure everything runs smoothly. Second, .NET Framework Class Library. It's a huge collection of pre-written code, like tools for working with text, dates, files, databases, user interfaces, you name it. So instead of writing all that stuff yourself, you just plug it in from the library. How .NET code works, from code to machine code. Let's say you write some code in C#, F#, or Visual Basic. First, the compiler turns that code into something called CIL, Common Intermediate Language. This is like a universal language for the .NET world. Then, when you actually run the app, something called the CLR steps in and uses the JIT compiler just in time to convert that CIL into machine code, which your computer can understand and run. So the whole flow looks like this. C# code compiler, CIL CLR machine code. And yeah, this process works the same way for all .NET languages. History and versions of the .NET framework. The .NET framework was launched in 2002, and since then, it's had a bunch of updates and versions. Each version added new features, better performance, and made development easier and faster. Later, Microsoft introduced .NET Core, which is kind of like a modern, lightweight version of the original .NET framework. And it works across platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now we mostly use versions like .NET 5, .NET 6, .NET 7, and the latest .NET 8. Why .NET is better? .NET is the newer and improved framework. It is open source, faster, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, not just Windows. Advantage of .NET Core 5+. Works on all systems, Windows, Mac, Linux, gets regular updates, runs faster, open to the developer community. What is C#? C# is Microsoft's programming language, and it works hand in hand with the .NET platform. You can build all kinds of stuff with it, web apps, desktop apps, mobile apps, even games using Unity. It works very well with .NET and .NET Framework. And the best thing, it's easy to learn and super beginner-friendly. History and versions of C#. C# was introduced around 2000, and just like .NET, it's been evolving ever since. Each version adds cool new features that make coding faster and smarter. Right now, we are up to C# 13, and it's more powerful and flexible than ever. C# is always improving to make coding easier and smarter. Thank you for watching today's video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe for more C# content. In the next video, we'll explore setup, syntax, and first program. So, stay tuned. Have a great day and happy coding.